Morning, Oscar. It's time for phonics. Yes.
Hello, children. Look who I have with me today. It's Oscar. Oscar, say woohoo, woohoo. I know, aren't we being silly? Hey, Oscar. So Oscar's joining us for a little while just for some Fidge phonics. Okay, are you ready? I thought he could join us because I'd like to start by building his name. Is that okay, Oscar? What do you think? What do you think, children? Can you build Oscar's name? And then we've got some other words to build. We've got words like grip, glad, twin, sniff. You do a lot of that, don't you? A lot of sniffing. Hey, Oscar. Plum and gran. Okay? Yes? I think he says yes. Right, Oscar, you stay here. Yeah, you stay here with me? Okay, for a minute while we build Oscar. Oscar, have you turned on your robot? Have you turned on your robot, Oscar? Have you? Okay. Oscar. Can you hear the scar and the o? Because this word has 4 sounds, we can use that strategy, can't we? We can blend the last sounds together and make it easier for ourselves. O and a scar. Is that helpful? What was that first sound? We know that. We can put that up. O. That's O. Scar. Sk. Ah. Scar. Sk. Ah. Scar. Oh. Scar. S. Come on. R. What makes R? Do you remember that digraph that makes R? That's right. The A and the together. And there we have it, children. We've built Oscar. O and scar. Oscar. Excellent. Did you get that? Did you make sure that you didn't miss out any of the sounds? Good, well done. What do you think? What do you think? Is that a well done? Well done, says Oscar in his head. Right, and I'm going to do the next word that relates to Oscar. And I think it would be a good idea to do sniff, because he does loads of sniffing, don't you? Right, are you ready? Are you ready? Sniff. If. Sniff. There's a s and a niff. Sniff. Can you hear that, children? Right, so it's got a s and a niff. How are we going to build niff? If. Niff. Up here. Sorry, Oscar. And let's move this out of the way. It's a bit crowded. And right, we have one f. In this word, children, at the end, it's a double f. And that's quite common at the end of words. If it's a f sound, that it would be a double. A double f. Sniff. 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 Sniff, 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 Oscar. Right, I'm going to put Oscar down now so that we can get on with our other words, because I don't know if he'd be comfortable sitting like that through the whole of our Fidge phonics. All right, Oscar, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you get, Oscar. Good dog. Isn't he a lovely, good, well-behaved dog? I think he might have sat there through the whole of phonics, but I don't think it would have been very fair. Okay, children, we are going to carry on doing the rest of the words. The next word is grip. 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 So we got the g. Okay, that's the first sound. Now we need to do the rip. rip, r, I, p. Put them together, rip, g, rip. Put it together and it builds the word grip. Well done. Like when you're gripping onto a rope and you're climbing. Grip. Excellent. Let's go on to the next word. Like when you're really happy. This word is glad. What can you hear? Glad. 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 You can hear the g. Can you hear the lad? Can we build lad? L-A-D. Lad. L-A-D. Lad. Come on, what's going to be here? Of course. L-A-D. And here's d. Blend it together. Push them together. And we have glad. There we are. Well done. Glad. Did you get that? Let's go on to the next one. Are you ready? Twin. Now, I know a couple of girl twins. Good friends of mine. Twin. 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 First sound. Now we just got to do the win. What? Win. What? What's the last sound? What? Of course. There we are. Look at that. What? Win. Put it with a t and it becomes twin. There we are. Just like that. Okay, my lovelies. Ready for the next one. Plum, like in plum pudding. Plum, plum. And now we've just got to do lum. Put them together and we have that plum for your plum pudding. Okay? Plum. Did you get that? I bet you did. And the final one, but no doubt not the least one, because this is an important person, and that is your gran. Gran. What can you hear? Gran. G and a ran. G and a ran. So, do the g. And it's got ran in it, like when the boy ran. So, r, a, r, r, r. Where are you, r? You've gone missing. Just for a second. There you are. R, a, there you are. Come down. We need you. R, a, ran. With the g on the front becomes gran. There we are. Perfect spelling of gran. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to choose one of these words and to build some sentences. Or an extra special thing would be to choose the word Oscar. And I want you to write an adventure all about Oscar and what he could get up to. Okay? And then maybe you can get your family to video you being a storyteller just like me. Oh, that would be so awesome. And then I could enjoy your story. Do you think you could do that? Come on, children. You lot are fantastic storytellers and writers. Right. I look forward to that. Anyway, take care till next time. Bye.